Coming up on this edition of Carolina Insider, the annual blood battle is heating up. Who's giving and who's winning?
Only that, but also to me.
Plus, the Cayla SC app is helping Columbia residents report on community issues. But first, how did South Carolina hospitals score this year? The grades may surprise you. Carolina Insider starts now.
Hello, and thank you for joining us. I'm Zariah Hollington. We begin today with concern over local hospital safety grades. A new report from the Leapfrog Group shows mixed results here in the Midlands. Prisma Health Baptist in downtown Columbia and Lexington Medical Center both kept their A ratings, but others have slipped. Baptist Park Ridge just up I-26 near Irmo now has a B, and Prisma Health Richland fell from a B to a C. According to the state newspaper, South Carolina has fallen from 5th to 10th in national hospital safety rankings. If you'd like to read what led to the changes, you can go to leapfroggroup.org to learn more. The state of South Carolina is asking the federal government for up to $1 billion to help improve rural health care. The Department of Health and Human Services will submit a bid soon. In an interview with the Daily Gazette, the HHS director says they use the money to help launch mobile health units, refurbish vacant health care centers, boost telehealth, and recruit providers to rural areas of the state. To the courts. Now, the South Carolina Supreme Court has struck down a plan by state legislators to give themselves a pay raise. The plan would have given lawmakers an immediate $1,500 per month. The High Court ruled that the move violated the state constitution. If you live up in the city, Columbia, a new app is paving the way toward quicker fixes to the common problems around town. Carolina Insider's Ava Pereira has that story.
For nearly 20 years, Ian Hamilton has called the Melrose Heights neighborhood home. When he noticed a broken section of sidewalk, he turned to the city's Cayla SC app to report it.
And then within 2 weeks, it was replaced.
The Cayla SC app that launched in 2024 was designed to make reporting city issues quick and simple. If you're walking and you see a problem, take out your phone, open the app, snap a picture, pin the location, and the city will get to work. But not every request is that easy. When Hamilton tried reporting a pothole on Pickett Street, he felt that the app just gave him more work to do.
What I did not appreciate was the response of, oh, that's someone else's responsibility. You'll have to call them.
Neighborhood leaders say the app has made communication between residents and the city more direct.
It's reducing the amount of people that is required to be in that chain of information sharing.
Water leaks are the most common report, followed by sidewalk and street repairs.
In this modern age, no one likes to wait.
Wilt says the goal is getting more people to use the app and to build trust that their reports make a difference. For Hamilton, that trust comes from seeing results like the sidewalk that was fixed just 2 weeks after he reported it. For Carolina Insider, I'm Ava Pereira.
It's like the state of South Carolina has missed out on a major business deal. Scout Motors has selected Charlotte as home for its new corporate headquarters. This comes after both Carolinas made a bid for the deal. Although the new HQ will head north, the company's manufacturing plant is here in the south. Construction continues on the plant in Blythewood, where the new electric vehicles will be made. More than 4,000 new jobs will be created. The North Carolina headquarters means about 1,500 high-paying jobs and $5 billion to the state's economy. A different kind of border battle has come to USC campus this week. Here with more on that is our own Isabella Augustino from Green Street. Isabella?
Thanks, Zariah. I'm here on Green Street, where students are not only coming together to beat their rival, but to save lives. The Carolina Clemson Blood Drive is one of the largest in the country, and this week is their 41st drive. While these lines may not look long, the impact is big. Last year, USC collected over 2,000 pints of blood and saved over 6,000 lives, according to the university website.
I feel like it really makes us all look at the big picture.
Red Cross blood research shows donations decreased right before the holiday season due to vacations, seasonal illness, school breaks, and severe weather.
I think people don't realize how much this means and how much this can do to help save people.
So between the American Red Cross and campus committee, there are over 11 locations to donate blood. If you're looking to catch the last hours of donation, there are a few eligibility requirements to keep in mind. You must be at least 110 pounds, in good health, 17 without parental consent, And you could not have donated in the last 56 days. Back to you, Zariah.
Thanks so much, Isabella. With Thanksgiving right around the corner, we've got plenty of events for you to check out in this week's Carolina's calendar. In sports, USC football hosts Coastal Carolina this Saturday at 4:15 p.m. On Sunday, the women's basketball team faces Queens at 2 p.m. at home, and the men's team goes against Northwestern at 5. And for some holiday festivities, the State House is lighting up early this Sunday for the Governor's Carol Lighting. The free event runs from 6 to 7 p.m., featuring Santa, live music, and the big tree lighting. And you can hit the ground running this Thanksgiving for the annual Turkey Day 5K. The event kicks off next Thursday at 9 a.m. at Colonial Life Arena. It's the perfect timing to work up an appetite for your holiday meal. That's it for this edition of Carolina Insider, a student production here in the Kennedy Greenhouse Studio in the School of Journalism and Mass Communication. This is our final edition for the fall semester. A new team will be back here next spring. Thank you for joining us, and happy holidays.